So what we have here is our built-up trommel screen and some reclaimed lumber. A neighbor had taken down a fence and a deck, and we have some 4x4s and some 2x6s and some 2x12s. And we're going to use those to build up the frame. Now we have a design constraint. We want the end where all the rocks and other rubbish is going to end up to be high enough that it will all land in our wheelbarrow. So it shouldn't be too difficult to get everything in. It just happens that the 2x6s here are just barely long enough for the screen, which just happens to come in at 47 inches. That's due to the overlap between the two 2-foot sections in the middle of the screen.